Hey there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. And if you're joining us for the first time, thanks for watching. Whether you're a cruise expert or a newbie, we've got some really cool things to share with you today. Have you ever thought about all the amazing things your cabin steward does? Get ready to be impressed because they do way more than just keep your room tidy. So let's chat about the 15 unexpected bonuses you can request from your cabin steward. Number 1, extra hangers. When it comes to staying organized on your cruise, having enough hangers for your clothes can really help. If you're running out of closet space and need more breathing room for your outfits, just ask your steward for some extra hangers. Whether you like to have options for different outfits or just want to keep things neat, having extra hangers will keep your clothes wrinkle-free and easy to grab. With everything hung up and easy to find, you can focus on enjoying a cruise without worrying about a messy space. Number 2, extra pillows. For an incredibly cozy night's sleep on board, nothing beats having some extra pillows to snuggle up with. Whether you need more support or just want to feel extra pampered with all that fluffiness, your cabin steward is ready and waiting to make it happen. Some cruise lines have pillow menus, so if you need a firmer pillow to prop yourself up for reading or a soft one to sink into, or simply like to have options for better sleeping positions, having an extra pillow nearby can really enhance your comfort. Just picture yourself sinking into a pile of pillows after a day of adventure, feeling all your worries melt away as you drift off into a peaceful slumber. Ah, that's just bliss, isn't it? Number 3, mattress topper. If you feel like your bed is too firm, or you're annoyed by the bump between twin beds pushed together, just ask for a mattress topper. Now, a mattress topper can make your bed feel more cozy and comfortable, especially if you find it too firm or the gap bothers you. This simple addition can add an extra layer of softness and support, making your sleep experience even better. With a mattress topper, you can easily transform your bed into a welcoming haven where you just can unwind and recharge after a busy day. Number 4, extra towels. When traveling with a larger group, be sure to chat with your cabin steward about how many towels you'll need. Having enough fresh towels for everyone in your cabin is pretty important, and just a quick heads up to your cabin steward will help avoid any towel shortages and ensure everyone can stay fresh during your cruise. So, go ahead and speak up. It will definitely make yours, as well as all your traveling companions' experience more comfortable during your cruise. Number 5, extension cords. If you use a CPAP machine for a restful night's sleep, you will probably need an extension cord. Most likely you can bring your own provided it is not surge protected and has been cleared by the cruise line's special needs department in advance. You can also arrange with them to bring your own distilled water or can pre-arrange to purchase it from the ship. If, however, you tend to forget things like we do, well, don't worry because you can just ask your steward. There may be a limited supply on board, so don't hesitate to ask if you require one. Number 6, sharps containers. When traveling with medical supplies like needles and syringes, it's crucial to dispose of them safely and responsibly. To keep yourself and your cabin steward and the environment safe, make sure to request a sharps container from your cabin steward if you will be bringing these items on your cruise. Having a sharps container in your cabin gives you a safe and secure place to dispose of used needles and other sharp medical tools. This helps prevent accidental injuries and ensures that you're following waste management rules. So don't hesitate to ask for a sharps container if you need one, because it's all about staying safe and taking care of our surroundings. Number 7, blankets. If you're always cold like Lisa is, your cabin steward is there with the solution to enhance your cruise experience with the cozy comfort of a blanket in your cabin. Perfect for those wanting an extra layer of warmth and softness, this beloved accessory is just a request away. Imagine snuggling up with a good book or winding down after a day of adventure, cocooned in the plush embrace of a blanket as the gentle hum of the ship lulls you into a peaceful slumber. Having this cozy companion at your disposal adds an extra touch of comfort to your onboard experience. As you set sail on your cruise adventure, don't forget to arrange for a blanket through your steward. Number 8, fans. Raise your hand if you're a fan of fans. Cruising in warm climates can be a dream come true, but sometimes the heat can get a little too intense, especially in your cabin. That's why it's important to keep your space nice and comfy. If you're as warm as an oven, like I am, it's best to bring your own portable battery-operated fan. But if you forget to bring one and need a little extra breeze to beat the heat, don't hesitate to ask your cabin steward if a fan is available on your ship. Picture this: coming back to your room after a day of exploring tropical destinations, only to be greeted by a refreshing burst of air from your handy fan. It's the perfect way to stay cool and relaxed throughout your journey, allowing you to fully enjoy every moment of your cruise experience. Almost done with the 15 things, guys, but before we move on, do us a huge favor. If you found this video to be helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, please consider giving it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, feel free to subscribe to the channel too. It's completely free, and your support is truly appreciated. Moving on to number 9, daily ice bucket refill. Don't worry about running out of ice during your cruise. Just let your cabin steward know if your ice bucket needs a refill. They'll make sure to keep your beverages nice and cold every day. It's a great convenience for passengers who want to stay refreshed. Remember to ask for this service on the first day you meet your cabin attendant to make things easier for them. If you think you'll need extra ice, don't hesitate to ask for a bigger bucket and enjoy your chilled drinks throughout your cruise. As a side note, some older ships may not have a refrigerator in each room. This happened once to Lisa's mother, who needed a refrigerator for her insulin. If this happens to you, don't worry, you can have your cabin steward refresh your ice bucket more frequently to keep those meds cool. Number 10, wine glasses. If you want to add a classy touch to your cruise by enjoying some wine or champagne, why not step it up a notch and ask for some wine glasses for your cabin? Thinking ahead for these little luxuries can really enhance the overall experience of your trip and make each sip feel even more special. All it takes is a quick chat with your cabin steward to request some wine glasses, and voila! Your cabin will instantly feel more elegant and perfect for savoring your favorite drinks. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just want to enjoy a relaxing evening on board, having the right glassware makes all the difference in elevating your experience. Number 11, Cork Screw. Heading out on a cruise with a delicious bottle of wine to enjoy in your cozy cabin sounds like a fantastic idea, doesn't it? But before you dive into that bottle, don't forget to pack your corkscrew. While it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of preparing for your trip, having a corkscrew on hand can make a world of difference in how smoothly you can enjoy your wine. Thankfully, most cruise lines understand that their guests often want to relax with a glass of wine, and they're more than happy to help when we forget to bring one from home. Just ask your cabin steward and they'll most likely be able to loan you a corkscrew. Whether you're marking a special occasion or just looking forward to a laid-back evening, having this handy tool really means you can easily uncork your wine and savor it whenever you like. Number 12, bathrobes. Elevate your onboard relaxation to a luxurious experience by simply slipping into a cozy bathrobe, the epitome of comfort and indulgence. If your cabin doesn't already have these plush essentials, don't worry. Your cabin steward is there to ensure your comfort. Just ask for the bathrobes and watch as your onboard leisure reaches new heights. Picture yourself stepping out of a refreshing shower or lounging in your cabin after a day of adventure, wrapped in the soft embrace of a plush robe. It's the perfect way to unwind and fully immerse yourself in the tranquility of your cruise experience. While some cruise lines limit bathrobes to suites, it never hurts to ask if one is available. Number 13, outdoor blanket. This is very useful, especially if you're heading to a chilly place like Alaska. Make sure you have the right gear for exploring outdoors to fully enjoy the stunning views. If you'll be relaxing on deck or even your balcony, ask your cabin steward for a cozy outdoor blanket. This handy accessory not only keeps you warm, but also provides a comfy space to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether you're admiring glaciers, spotting wildlife, or simply breathing in the fresh air, having a soft outdoor blanket, when available, adds to your comfort and lets you fully embrace the natural wonders around you. Number 14, furniture arrangement. We're always talking about those beds that are two twins when separated or queens when they are placed together. Well, your cabin steward is the one to tell your preferences to and who will make it happen. And if you have multiple people in your stateroom and are looking to make your cabin feel more like your own personal sanctuary on board by having those bunk beds turned back into a sofa during the day, or also, if you'd like more floor space, don't be afraid to ask your steward if that coffee table can be removed to better suit your preferences. Whether you need more space to stretch out or want a different setup for your sleeping arrangements, your steward is dedicated to making your cabin feel like a cozy home away from home. So don't hesitate to ask for any adjustments you need to make your stay even more enjoyable. Number 15. Carnival is famous for their towel animals. However, not every cruise line automatically surprises you with these daily. Are you on your honeymoon or traveling with the little ones? Transforming your cabin into a whimsical wonderland is a breeze with the addition of some towel animals. These delightful creatures, crafted from folded towels, will bring joy and charm to your onboard experience. Simply ask your steward to create these fun creatures during your cruise if you want to add a playful touch to your cabin decor. You'll be amazed at how creative your cabin steward is when it comes to this. From cute elephants to mischievous monkeys, towel animals are a cherished tradition on many cruises, bringing smiles to guests of all ages with their creativity and charm. Whether you're marking a special occasion or just want to add some light-hearted fun to your voyage, these towel creations are sure to bring a smile to your face. And that's the 15 additional things you can get from your cabin steward. Do you have more to add? Leave it in the comments below and let us know. And don't forget, your cabin steward is there to make your cruise experience unforgettable. They are the unsung heroes who work behind the scenes to take care of every detail. So next time you cruise, show your appreciation for all they do. And if you found this video to be helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, feel free to subscribe to the channel too. It's completely free and your support is truly appreciated. Until we see you next time, be safe.